Hello everybody. Today we're gonna take a look at how to make noises like this. Pretty cool. Right, so what you're gonna need is literally any sound will work. More sort of harmonically rich sounds are great for this. Drums in particular are really cool for this. But what we're going to do is we're going to take serum and just going to use this preset from my preset pack, the bubble sweep. I'm going to use a fairly low octave. Just get rid of this automation for the moment. Program in some new automation. Okay. Add some more automation. Now we're going to resample that. Okay, as you can see, I've got a channel already set up to resample into, so we're going to arm that and solo this for the moment and set our warp mode to texture, and we're going to turn the flux off, and because we're at 138 BPM we're going to go for 109 grain size. So we're just going to press record and play with the transposition whilst it's recording. So already getting some pretty gnarly sort of sounds out of it. So take our result, put it back onto our resampling channel, and we're going to set the warp mode to texture again, but this time we're going to use 218 grain size, no flux, and we're going to stretch. We're going to twice the length of our region. So now it's going to sound like this. Which is pretty cool in its own right. But what we're going to do is we're going to record that and play with the transposition again. Really nice results that time. So now we're going to take this, chuck it back in our sampling channel again, and then we're going to go for texture, but we're going to go with 54.5 grain size and turn the flux down to 0. And we're going to record again and play with the transposition. Nice. So altogether we've got a lot of nice little artifacts. So you might notice that there's a delay, like a ping pong delay on all of this. it's very important that you put the ping pong delay on a group containing these channels rather than actually on the channels themselves, because you want to keep the sort of dry source material so you can do whatever you want with it. So if I turn that delay off, we've just got I turn it back on, it brings it back to life. So yeah, I hope you enjoy that trick. Go and try it on everything you can find. You can get some really, really wacky results from it. Alright, have a lovely day, and I'll see you next time.